to say something? Hey, my name is Sasha Engel. I'm a choreographer and dancer. Originally from Germany, studied and worked many years in Holland. That's where I was at the dance academy in Rotterdam. I never would have started doing something if I wasn't deeply inspired by other creators, films or stage works I saw. So here is a little collection of things that, since you're anyway locked in and you have time more than you wish to, probably, stuff to look at, stuff to watch, stuff to get inspired from. Okay? Definitely you should watch from DV8. It's an English dance group, modern dance group. They do a lot of dance film stuff, and dance film is one of their loves and the things they're really good at. You will find a lot of their stuff on YouTube, but especially make sure to watch two things. Enter Achilles, it's a brilliant dance film. And the other one is Dead Dreams of Monochrome Man. It's a brilliant black and white dance film. Then there is, if you know the music group, Deus. Deus made a film, a very short one called Theme from Turnpike. You will find it if you look for Deus Theme from Turnpike, you will find it on the net. There's another one that I not so long ago discovered. It's called, I don't know how you say it, AMA or AMA or AMA. It's an underwater dance film.
Just have to go to the toilet. Back
so search for underwater dance AMA, AMA. Very good work. Also, the choreographer Wim van der Keibus made some really great dance films, and if you look on YouTube, Blush, B-L-U-S-H, Blush, you will find the entire dance film. Of course, LaLaLa Human Steps, the Canadian group that unfortunately doesn't exist anymore, made a brilliant dance film called Amelia. I don't think, out of copyright reasons, you will find the whole film, but you will find some excerpts on YouTube. Amazing. The Pharcyde, it's a hip-hop group, and their song Drop. It's an amazing video clip. Actually quite simple but genius concept of playing backwards from Spiky Jones. And then of course two classics from Fatboy Slim. I'm sure you know it, it's very unlikely you don't, but anyway. Praise and Weapon of Choice with Christopher Walken. Then the Belgian artist Strome, I never know how to really say him. Strome. His song Tous les Mêmes. There is in this last third of the song, there is a dance routine that reminds me sometimes a little bit I call it the hipster version of Thriller. It's fantastic, yeah. Okay.